Raw denim rolls arrive at the factory, carefully inspected for quality before production begins.
Each denim bolt is checked for defects and graded to ensure only the best fabric is used.
Fabrics are labeled and stored systematically, ready for cutting and further processing.
Denim rolls are washed to remove impurities, ensuring the fabric is clean and ready for processing.
Each fabric piece is manual checked to prevent defects and maintain consistent quality. After initial washing, the denim is partially dried and prepared for cutting and shaping. Skilled workers manually inspect each denim bolt to ensure only top-quality fabric moves forward.
Any flaws, stains, or inconsistencies in the fabric are carefully detected and marked for rejection.
Low-quality fabric is separated, while high-grade denim is kept for premium jeans production.
This sorting process guarantees that only the best denim is used, ensuring strong and durable jeans.
Denim fabric is cut into panels of precise size to prepare for stitching and shaping.
Each panel is inspected for uniformity, ensuring clean edges and perfect alignment for production.
The panels are pre-dried to remove excess moisture, stabilizing the fabric for stitching.
After pre-processing, the denim panels are organized by batch, ready for the main manufacturing stages.
Denim panels are stitched together with precision, forming the basic shape of the jeans.
The stitched panels are flattened and aligned to maintain accurate dimensions and strong seams.
Pressing ensures the jeans are smooth, properly shaped, and ready for finishing details.
This primary transformation stage sets the foundation, giving jeans their structure and durability.
Waistbands and belt loops are stitched securely, ensuring strength and durability for daily wear.
Pockets are carefully sewn onto the denim, adding functionality and style to the jeans.
Rivets and buttons are applied to reinforce stress points and complete the jeans' structural details. Each pair is inspected to confirm that all attachments are secure and meet quality standards.
Indigo dye is carefully prepared to achieve the exact shade required for the jeans. The dye is thoroughly mixed to ensure uniform color for all denim panels during finishing.
Denim panels are spread and aligned carefully to prepare for cutting and shaping.
Panels are cut into exact shapes and sizes, forming the pieces of each jeans pant.
Each cut piece is shaped to match the final jeans design, maintaining perfect proportions.
Prepared pant pieces are organized and ready for sewing and assembly in the next stage.
No cooking or heating is used in jeans production. All shaping and forming is done mechanically and manually.
After stitching, jeans are hung to dry naturally, removing any remaining moisture from the fabric. Jeans are carefully positioned to maintain their shape and prevent wrinkles during drying. Proper drying solidifies the jeans' structure, making them ready for finishing and quality checks. Denim surfaces and edges are smoothed to remove rough spots and prepare for finishing.
Pressing ensures each jeans pant keeps its intended shape and crisp appearance.
Fabrics are treated to enhance color, softness, and durability, giving jeans their final look.
The finishing process adds shine, protection, and style, preparing jeans for packaging and sale.
Limited automation moves jeans efficiently between workstations, saving time while maintaining quality. Machines assist in pressing and shaping, ensuring consistent results across all jeans. Skilled hands are still essential for precision, blending automation with human expertise for perfect quality.
Each pair of jeans is weighed to ensure it meets the factory's precise weight standards.
The denim's flexibility and durability are checked to guarantee comfort and long-lasting wear.
Jeans undergo performance tests to detect weak spots and ensure structural integrity.
Continuous quality control at every stage ensures only top-grade jeans move forward in production.
All fabric offcuts and scrap are gathered carefully to reduce waste in the factory. Low-grade or leftover denim is recycled for cheaper products or secondary uses. Efficient waste management ensures sustainability and cost-effectiveness throughout production.
Buttons and rivets are carefully installed to secure seams and reinforce stress points.
Waistbands and fittings are adjusted precisely for comfort and durability.
The final assembly combines all components, ensuring each pair of jeans is complete and ready for inspection.
Every jeans pant is carefully examined to ensure perfect stitching, color, and overall quality.
Strength and durability tests confirm the jeans can withstand daily wear.
Weight, size, and proportions are verified to meet factory specifications.
Only jeans that pass all checks are approved for packaging and shipping.
Each pair of jeans is carefully folded to maintain shape and presentation before packaging.
Protective covers prevent dust, dirt, and minor damage during transport and handling.
Folded jeans are weighed and sorted by size and batch, ready for final packaging.
Folded jeans are carefully packed into boxes or bags to protect them during shipping.
Packed boxes are transported efficiently along the line for final handling and storage.
Each pair of jeans is labeled with brand, size, and batch information for easy identification.
Proper packaging ensures the jeans remain safe and intact until they reach stores or customers.
Labels are carefully inspected to ensure correct information and neat placement on every jeans pair.
Coding ensures traceability, helping track each product from factory to customer.
Each jeans fabric is tested for stretch and resilience to ensure comfort and durability.
Fabric strength and flexibility are evaluated to confirm the jeans can withstand daily wear.
Performance tests replicate usage conditions, ensuring only high-quality jeans reach customers.
Finished jeans are stored in climate-controlled warehouses to maintain fabric quality and prevent moisture damage. Packed jeans are loaded onto trucks for delivery to stores and distribution centers worldwide.
Properly secured pallets prevent damage during transportation, ensuring products arrive intact.
Trucks transport jeans efficiently, covering road, air, or sea routes depending on destination.
Each shipment is tracked for timely delivery, ensuring inventory reaches retailers accurately.
Jeans production combines skilled handcrafting with selective automation for consistent quality and efficiency.
Skilled craftsmanship ensures durability and precise fit, which machines alone cannot achieve. This manufacturing method balances cost, quality, and scalability, making high-performance jeans efficiently.
From raw fabric to finished product, each pair of jeans goes through a precise, step-by-step factory process. The blend of traditional craftsmanship and modern machinery ensures perfect fit, durability, and style. Proper preparation, finishing, and quality checks guarantee jeans that last and meet customer expectations. High-quality materials, skilled labor, and efficient processes combine to produce premium jeans for the global market.